Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to crop or resize your video capture device inside OBS when you're screen recording. So basically I'm inside the OBS app right now. I'm using a Mac and I've got a screen capture that's going on behind, and then I've also got a video capture source. So I'm assuming that you can add sources right in here, go in to that plus button and add a screen capture and a video capture. But when you do add a video capture, it comes up with this sort of this is capturing my webcam right now on the MacBook, and it comes around with a sort of red border with red dots that we can see, and this is how we can resize the video capture device, and you can drag and hold and bring to the different sides of the screen recording. If you only wanted this little section right here, I don't know why you would, but if you wanted that, you could put your video capture device on this side. If you only wanted a slight bit right there, that'd be absolutely fine. But when you drag and hold these to resize them, you're basically resizing the entire video capture device. But let's say you only wanted to just crop, so bring the lines into about this size right here so that it can only see my face, and then you can see the whole of the screen recording behind me. So what you would do is on Mac, you want to press Option and then drag from the right hand side, and also drag from the left hand side, and then you've cropped it right there. And from there you can go and it clicks into place. If you do not want it to snap into place, as you can see right here, what you can do is go to Command, hold down the Command button and then drag that along, and then as you can see it doesn't literally snap into place right there. So what I'll do is just get the borders back, Option, hold down Option, drag that right across, Option, drag that right across. So guys, something that I'm also going to show you is if you press Control, click on your video capture device and then go down to Transform, then Edit Transform, can click in there, and you can actually see that we can crop the video capture device with a specific measurement. So you could go in here 150, 150, and then that literally crops to your exact specifications, and you can move this around. Maybe if you wanted to do 300 on each side, it would be a lot tighter, but there you go. Anyway guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks.